Hello, dear children. Today, I will tell you about something very interesting: virtual memory. It may sound complicated, but in reality, it is a clever solution that helps computers manage large amounts of data. We will take a look at how it works and why it is so important. At the playground, the puppy and the ladybug were wondering what to do when their animal house ran out of space for toys. The puppy thought they could just stuff everything in, but the ladybug suggested putting some in a box nearby. Later, they could take them out when they needed them. This is similar to how virtual memory works. When a computer runs out of space in its memory, it stores less important data on the disk and retrieves it when needed again. By the big tree, the rat and the bee were discussing how a computer decides which information to keep in memory and which to set aside. The rat noticed that when he was working on a project, his computer sometimes slowed down. The bee explained that this happens because the computer moves some data to the disk and then has to retrieve it again, which takes time. That is why it is important for a computer to have enough memory to run faster. On the meadow, the kitten and the parakeet were testing their knowledge. I decided to ask them what they knew about virtual memory. The kitten said that a computer uses it when it runs out of space in its main memory, and the parakeet added that it saves less important things on the disk, but this slows down its performance. I praised them for their good answers. Virtual memory helps computers work better, but it is important to ensure there is not too much of it, as it can slow down the device. Let us summarize, children, what we learned today. Virtual memory is how a computer manages when it runs out of random access memory. It moves less important data to the disk, but this can make it run slower. That is why it is good to have enough random access memory so that the computer works smoothly. See you next time.